The universe is a vast expanse, a canvas painted with the wonders of the solar system. And today, I invite you to take a journey with me through the celestial wonders that surround us. Imagine standing under a starlit sky, the air crisp and cool, and all around you, the twinkling lights of distant worlds beckon. Each star, each planet, tells a story, a tale of creation, destruction, and rebirth, and we are just tiny specks in this grand cosmic play. Let's start with the Sun, our very own star, the heart of our solar system. It's a massive ball of gas, primarily hydrogen and helium, and it's so enormous that about 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. Can you wrap your head around that? It's about 93 million miles away from us, and yet its warmth is what sustains life on our planet. Without the Sun, Earth would be a frozen wasteland, devoid of life. It's fascinating to think that the light we see from the Sun today actually left its surface about 8 minutes ago. So, in a way, when we look at the Sun, we're observing the past. Now, let's shift our gaze to the planets that dance around this magnificent star. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is a world of extremes. It has no atmosphere to speak of, which means it experiences scorching temperatures during the day, reaching up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and plummeting to a frigid 330 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Can you imagine standing on the surface of Mercury, feeling the searing heat of the Sun on one side and the bone-chilling cold on the other? It's a planet of contradictions, where the lack of an atmosphere creates a stark landscape of craters and rocky plains. Next, we have Venus, often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition. But don't let that fool you. Venus is a hellish place. Its thick atmosphere, composed mainly of carbon dioxide, traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures soaring to around 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The pressure on Venus is about 92 times that of Earth. Imagine being crushed under the weight of that atmosphere. And to top it all off, its clouds are made of sulfuric acid, creating a toxic environment that would be utterly uninhabitable for us. Yet, despite its harsh conditions, Venus has a certain beauty, with its swirling clouds and brilliant brightness, often visible from Earth. Then there's Earth, our home, the only known planet to support life. It's a delicate balance of ecosystems, climates, and life forms, all interconnected in a web of existence. The blue oceans, the lush forests, the towering mountains, each piece of our planet contributes to the grand tapestry of life. Earth is unique not just for its life, but also for its position in the solar system. It sits in the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist. Water is life, and it's fascinating to think that all the water we have on Earth has been here for billions of years, recycled through the atmosphere, the oceans, and the land. Now, let's travel to Mars, the red planet. Mars has captured our imagination for centuries, and it's not hard to see why. With its rusty red surface, towering volcanoes, and deep canyons, Mars is a planet of extremes. It has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which stands about 13.6 miles high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. And then there's Valles Marineris, a canyon system that stretches over 2,500 miles long and is up to 7 miles deep. Can you imagine standing at the edge of that canyon, looking down into its depths? Mars also has polar ice caps, and scientists believe that liquid water may still exist beneath its surface, sparking hopes of finding life, or at least evidence of past life. As we continue our journey, we come to the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter, the king of the planets, is a colossal world with a diameter of about 86,881 miles. It's primarily made of hydrogen and helium, and its atmosphere is a swirling maelstrom of storms, including the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth that has been raging for centuries. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field and dozens of moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, which is even larger than Mercury. Imagine exploring the icy surface of Europa, another of Jupiter's moons, where scientists believe a subsurface ocean may harbor life. Then there's Saturn, famous for its stunning rings made of ice and rock particles. Saturn is a sight to behold, with its golden hues and elegant ring system. The rings are not solid, but rather composed of countless small particles, ranging in size from tiny grains to massive chunks. Saturn is also a gas giant, with a similar composition to Jupiter. But what sets it apart is its beauty. The rings stretch out thousands of miles, and they are a reminder of the cosmic wonders that exist beyond our planet. Saturn has over 80 moons, including Titan, which is larger than Mercury and has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane. Can you imagine standing on Titan, looking up at the hazy orange sky and the distant rings of Saturn? As we venture further, we encounter the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Uranus is unique for its tilt. It spins on its side, making it unlike any other planet in our solar system. Its blue-green color comes from methane in its atmosphere, and it has a faint ring system and 27 known moons. Imagine the eerie beauty of a planet that rolls along its orbit, its rings and moons dancing around it. Then there's Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, a world of deep blue hues and fierce storms. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 200 miles per hour. It's a mysterious planet, with dark storms that can appear and disappear in a matter of days, and its largest moon, Triton, is unique for its retrograde orbit, suggesting it may have been captured by Neptune's gravity. But our journey doesn't end with the planets. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy bodies and dwarf planets, including Pluto. Pluto was once considered the 9th planet in our solar system, but it was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Despite its small size, Pluto is a fascinating world with a complex geology, including mountains made of ice and a heart-shaped glacier that's larger than Texas. It reminds us that the solar system is not just about the 8 major planets, but also about the myriad of other objects that inhabit this cosmic neighborhood. As we look deeper into the solar system, we encounter comets, those icy wanderers that travel through space. Comets are fascinating because they originate from the outer reaches of the solar system, and when they approach the sun, they develop a glowing coma and a tail that points away from the sun. Halley's Comet is perhaps the most famous, visible from Earth every 76 years. Imagine witnessing a celestial spectacle as a comet streaks across the night sky, leaving a trail of dust and gas in its wake. And let's not forget about asteroids, the rocky remnants from the early solar system. The asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter is home to millions of these small bodies, some of which are considered potential threats to Earth. Yet, asteroids also hold the key to understanding the formation of our solar system. They are like time capsules, preserving the materials that formed the planets over 4.5 billion years ago. The exploration of asteroids, such as the missions to Bennu and Ryugu, has provided valuable insights into the building blocks of our solar system. As we wrap up this journey through the wonders of the solar system, it's essential to reflect on our place within it. We are but tiny specks in this vast universe, yet our curiosity drives us to explore, to learn, and to understand. The solar system is a reminder of the beauty and complexity of the cosmos, and it inspires us to reach for the stars. In a world filled with challenges, the wonders of the universe offer a sense of hope and possibility. They remind us that we are all connected, not just to each other, but to the cosmos itself. As we gaze up at the night sky, let's remember that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. Each star, each planet, is a reminder of the wonders that await us, the mysteries that still need to be unraveled, and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. So, the next time you find yourself under a blanket of stars, take a moment to wonder about the solar system and the incredible journey we are all a part of. The universe is calling, and it's up to us to explore its wonders, to embrace our curiosity, and to cherish the beauty of the cosmos. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and remember, the stars are not just distant points of light. They are the stories of our past, present, and future, waiting to be discovered.